everybody. So it's about 4:30. I just got up to the stand, all settled in. Today's our last day here, so I'm really hoping I can get something. Get lucky like Steven's got. We'll see how it goes. It's beautiful up here right now, but so far, just silence, which I guess is nice since I just got up here. I wouldn't want to scare anything away. I didn't see anything coming in either, so that's kind of odd. Usually when you're walking up through here, there's usually does out and stuff that we scare as we're heading up to our stands, but not today, so we'll see how it goes. Wish me luck.
And I've been seeing on YouTube that Michigan the rut season is about to kick off, and I don't know. I haven't seen any action. I just know the Bucks are on their feet. So I see scrapes. I don't see any rubs. But the Bucks are on their feet.